In the construction world, Pella is synonymous with quality. This fantastic company is Iowa born and based, but is known nationwide for its window and door products. The company has 19 manufacturing locations and over 250 showrooms in the United States and Canada. Today, they're giving us a tour of their headquarters and factory here in Pella, Iowa. Our guide today is Jen Tutkin, Director of Innovation at Pella. Well, thanks for having us in, Jen. Let's start with some of the basics. How long has the Pella Corporation been in business?
So Pella started actually in 1925 as the roll screen company. And we used to just sell screens, and then we quickly started manufacturing wood windows and doors as well, and have become what you know of today as Pella Corporation.
So we're here at your Pella, Iowa plant. What's manufactured here?
So we manufacture a variety of wood windows and wood doors. So double hungs, single hungs, casements, awnings, sliding patio doors, both 2-panel and 4-panel. That's all getting manufactured here around us.
And who are your primary customers for your products?
So we sell to a variety of customers, but we sell to homeowners directly into the home to replace their windows. But then we also sell to builders, contractors, as well as some commercial as well.
What have been some of the major innovations over the years that Pella has been involved with to serve its market?
So Pella is known for innovation. We're very proud of that. And we actually were founded as kind of with innovations in mind, especially the roll screen. That was an innovation of its time. And we've actually built on that legacy through some casement innovations as well as some glass innovations. But more recently, we've continued the screen innovation legacy. And so up until about 5 years ago, there was no such thing as an integrated screen for double hungs or single hungs. And so we were really proud when we came out with the integrated roll screen on our wood windows. Able to deliver that hidden screen, so that way when the windows are closed, you don't see it. But when you do open it, the bugs cannot come in and you get that nice breeze. We've also recently come out with the Easy Slide Operator, which is on our fiberglass product line. And Easy Slide is a little hardware that replaces the crank on a casement and awning window. So you just have to slide it up or slide it down to open and close it. And it makes it very simple, very easy, and that was designed with universal design principles in mind to make sure that nearly anyone can open their window and door, which is a big win for us, especially if you think about like multi-generational living today.
Well, we certainly know Pella here in the Midwest, but you're nationwide, and you've got to serve all different climates, right? So innovation, I imagine, fits into that as you think about the entire country.
Yes, we sell everywhere from Seattle down to Miami and everywhere in between. And so we actually have 19 manufacturing plants across the U.S. that come in vinyl windows, fiberglass windows, wood windows, but we do create nice products that go across the entire U.S. And obviously with energy, it's different everywhere you live. And so if you're in a colder climate, we're really focused on making sure that window performs well to keep that warm, nice inside and keep the cold outside. And then say down south where it's nice and toasty, especially right now, that we're keeping the cold inside and keeping the hot outside to, again, make your home more comfortable and more livable.
Well, we like that here on PowerHouse. Talk to us a little bit about design and development in the process in terms of, energy efficiency.
Energy efficiency ranks really high as a key priority for us. And so, again, if we're looking across all of our products, it's, okay, where are we focused? How do we make sure that our glass technologies, the spacers we're using within them, the coatings that are getting used on the glass are able to deliver the lowest U value possible for the customers within that product offering. And so we're always trying to both push ourselves and the industry to be leading in that space. And we have a rigorous testing process to make sure that we're going beyond just the industry standard.
Jen, it's an impressive facility here in your Pella, Iowa plant. Talk to us a little bit about the manufacturing line, what we're looking at here.
So we are looking at the Pella Lifestyle Series being manufactured, and that comes in both dual pane and in triple pane. So for that high energy efficiency product, triple pane is one of the best performing, and so you're seeing that being built around us here today. So wood windows, wood doors, and again, dual pane and triple pane for that higher energy efficiency.
So if I'm looking for new windows, and again, I know there's a lot of things to consider, but where do they start, I guess?
So there's a lot of options. You think about windows in a replacement setting, they're designed just for you. So definitely get what you want. But you can look at the aesthetics of the window. So do you want a certain type of color? And then what material type does that color come with? what kind of window style are you looking for? Is it a double hung? Is it a casement? Is it an awning? Is it a fix? Those are really good foundational choices to just know and right up front. And then also understand what are your targets as it relates to energy efficiency. That'll help you decide if you're going to go with dual pane or triple pane to help that whole envelope ultimately deliver lower bills, right, for your customers. And then you're also kind of looking at your different material types. It's wood, it's vinyl, it's fiberglass, it's aluminum. So lots of choices to be made, but the pros that you have through even our showroom network, they can help you with all of those decisions.
Well, I was impressed as we walked in, Jen. I'm seeing customized windows, right? I mean, you narrow it right down for that customer.
Yes. You call us, we come to your home, we measure those windows specifically for your home. It gets tagged with your name, and the windows are made just for you. We do not have extra windows sitting around, and I think that's actually a really nice play as it relates to waste reduction, because we just don't have extra stuff. So we're building it just for your home.
The other thing I'm impressed as we walked around, I got to say how clean your plant is, and we're all worried about natural resources. Again, I don't see a lot of waste, so you're being a good steward of the earth for Pella, right?
Yeah, absolutely. We try to. The wood gets shipped here in really large pieces, and we're able to take the big pieces of wood and slowly make them smaller and smaller to create the frames and the sashes for the window. But we're saving the best of the best wood for the windows and the doors that we're producing, and there is some extra scrap. But it's kind of cool. I didn't know this until I first stepped in here. But what we end up doing with that scrap and the sawdust is we actually turn that into a material that another company here in town gets to use and sell as pet bedding.
Well, Jen, thank you for allowing PowerHouse to come in and see the Pella, the inner workings here. You know, it's always nice for us and our viewers to see the products that are coming into our homes, so thank you for that.
Oh, it's our pleasure. Thank you for coming.
You bet. And if you'd like more information about energy-saving construction and home improvement ideas, visit our website at powerhousetv.com.